In this lecture, we will see some basic functionality or working of Elementor. So this is our home page. If I go to click then edit page, so now what I can do, I can edit my home page from here. This is the basic structure and in the WordPress, and this option is from the our OceanWP themes. Now what I will do, I will edit with Elementor. Now you will see some different view of the page. So let me, I think, close this. I don't need this. This one also. And this one also. Okay. So this is our home page, and there are some options which are due to our Elementor plugin. This is our due to our Invalto environment, and this is due to our premium add-ons. Okay. So let's start from the Elementor. So if I click this plus button, so you can see there are multiple options. I mean, which type of section I want to add. The first one is that there are 2 columns. Third one, there are 3 columns, 4 columns, and the first one is smaller, right side is bigger, something like that. So I would like to start from like this. Okay. So now what happened? A section is created. This is called as a section. Okay, you can see it here. It's written there. It is section. So this is a section with the 3 columns. A section is created with 3 columns. Okay, well and good. Now what I can do, in these 3 columns, I can add multiple things or whatever I want. Suppose that I just want include a heading, so I will just drag and drop. Okay, in this section I want an image, so I will just choose an image and drop it here. Okay, and this section, suppose that I just want a video, so I will just drag a video here. Okay, so in 3 sections we have put 3 different things. If I want to customize my heading, so I will just click on this and I will find a customizable area and I will write like that. Let me close this. Yeah, I will like that my heading. Okay, so it's my heading. And image, if I want to just change this, I will just choose the image, and from my media I will choose something like this. I will insert this media and the image is inserted. What I can do, if I want to edit my column, so I will just click on this. But if I want to edit my section, so I will click on this. You can say that when I click on this, so I am editing the section, but when I click on this, so I am editing a column. Particularly a element you want to edit, so just click on this element, so you will able to edit that element. So this is my heading. Suppose that I don't want to this color, so I will go to the style. I will choose another color. I can choose any color like this. Okay, black. Cool. My heading color is changed, and content, I want to this to be center aligned. This is center aligned. I want another image after this heading, so I will choose again image. I can put above this heading or below this heading, so I will like to put this here. I will choose another image, and now I will like to insert this. Yeah, so this is my heading, something like. Okay, if I go to this YouTube section, I mean this is the video section, I can put any video, like there are multiple sources, YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, and self-hosted. If you have any self-hosted, so you can also that. I will put a YouTube video here and I will just put a link of that video. So I can also give some start time in time. I mean, we just want a particular start time for that. You can also enable autoplay. Whenever website is loaded, the video will be autoplay. Okay, there are some controls for that. If I want a different color for this section, let me know. Just something like that. I am choosing this section, but I want, what can I do? The width of contents, it's bits, it is box, you know, So if I put a full width, the content will be full width. What I can do now, columns gap, extended. So you can see that the gap between this will be extended. Okay, let me show again. If I click no gap, so you can see that there is no gap between the image and this. Okay, I will put like some extended gap. Many things I can do. Suppose that I want this section column, I want a margin. Let me do that 20. So you can say that 20 margin is given. I also want a padding, so something like that. Okay, so motion effect also, if you want some entrance animation like this, if I click fade in down, so this will come like this. There are multiple animation, you can choose anyone. Yeah, nice, looking so good. I can also apply animations, or you can say motions, in this section also, or this particular element also. Okay, so if I just choose animation only in that image, so it will do like that. Okay, I can also perform many operations with the section also. I can put animation with whole section, suppose that this one. Okay, these are things. If I want to choose a different background color, I will go to the style. You can say like that. Okay, this is center line. I can also change the size, medium, large, something. Okay, extra large. Okay, now if I go to style, I can change the color. I can also change the typography. Typography means the text style. If I want to change anything, okay, secondary text, anything what you want, you can change. If I choose from Roboto, so you can say this style is changed. I can also change the size of my heading, small to big, anything I can change. Let me update it. If I go to click on update and I go to my.bragger.com, so okay, what's going wrong in this thing? Yeah, because we have not installed SSL, so I have to remove S. It will be only HTTP. Okay, now this will open our website. So yeah, you can see that animation, what's looking so cool. This tagging so pretty much beautifully. Okay, now what I can do, I can also do something like if I want this section background color, if I just want to put a background color in that section, so background type can be classic, gradient, and slides also. If I go to classic and I will choose a color, so let me do that. You can say that this, if I go in this section and here, if I choose the background as a gradient will be mixture of two colors. So first one is pink, and the second one I would like to use, that will be something this, you can say bluish something. Okay, so yeah, cool. This is the gradient. So you can do lots of things with the Elementor. It is the best plugin to use with. Okay, let me update it. You can also add many of things. Okay, icons, Google Maps, slides, login. Some features are free and some are pro. We are using here only free features. Okay, so you can also use like if you don't want this picture, so what you can do, image overlay. You can add an image overlay, and which image you will choose, the image will be overlaid to the video. Okay, let me, yeah, because image is not totally fixed, I have uploaded only 2 or 3 images, so it's showing like that. Okay, now you can see that video is different, but we are showing an image overlay. You can do many of things, don't worry, just update this. So how is easy to creating a website page, you can see here. Okay, you can also change your view. I mean, if you want different view on your mobile, you can also create website responsive. In my mobile view, I don't want something bigger text. I just want to text should be little bit small. So what I will do, I will just, yeah, it is updating only my mobile view setting. Okay, it's not disturbing my desktop view. If I go to my desktop view, the setting is previously, and if I go to my this, so heading is small. So this is very easy to create responsiveness. Okay, if you go to tablet view, I don't want, I will just change the, you can say, size more bigger. So yeah, if I update this and let me do the here, so here is the heading very small, here is heading very large, and here is okay. So now you can see the difference. Okay, so now it's looking very ugly, you know. We are just learning, looking very ugly. Yeah, okay, you can look your website like this. So I think it's just a basic demo. How will you work with Elementor? And let me delete this. You can also duplicate it. Okay, if you suppose that you want just duplicate the section, just click on the section and right click, duplicate it. If you click duplicate, a duplicate section will be created. Okay, now you can see everything is copied. Okay, you want to add another section upper to this section, you can just click on this. Okay, and here add a 2 3 4 whatever section columns you want, and same as whatever you did, you can add any button, any image, whatever just you want, and you can link them with another URL, another page. Okay, so let me remove these things. We will do it later. It's looking so ugly. Okay, so yeah, get this and go to this page and refresh it. Yeah, fine. So it was a just basic working of the Elementor.